that would be the monorail.
I think that might be the way back.
Yeah.
So busy. Look at this. I think the castle's just going like straight down the street or something.
The spot house.
Come here then.
Look at that. Town Square Theatre.
Mickey and Minnie.
Oh, that's a restaurant.
What's that saying the wait time is there? 5 minutes to meet Mickey and Minnie?
Yeah, to meet Tinkerbell.
What?
To meet Tinkerbell. Is that the restaurant?
I think you just look straight down there and then you see it. A barbershop quartet. Don't go.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We are the world famous Dapper Dans of Main Street, USA. We're the finest barbershop quartet in a 2-block radius. We're here to sing for you. You're here to listen to us. And I hope we finish first. Oh, oh, goodbye, my Coney Island baby. Farewell, my own true love. I'm gonna go away and leave. Never see you again. See you again. I'm gonna sail on that ferry boat. Never to return again.
In the middle of them and started. Started singing.
We all fall for some girls. Some girls that's got big feet. We meet her on the street. Then we'll go and meet her. We want to get there. Goes to the altar. Slumber when you want to slumber when it's over. Oh, get good. That's the days we can recall.
I think this is what. Ice cream, baby.
She belongs.
That she was. Go ahead.
Always drinking, aren't you?
See if someone take a picture of that. It's a big horse.
Wait, tickets to go? Magic.
You happy?
That's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, what's this about? This lady? Isn't it? That is the queue
Yeah, I know.
to get into a restaurant.
Be our guest.
And who knows how much further and deeper it goes. Imagine it was the Gaston restaurant.
No, that's Be Our Guest. Gaston's a beer, I think.
Oh!
Oh, amazing is that? Gaston's tavern.
Oh, look at them.
Gaston in the food. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Sorry. I was going to say, if you have to keep it clear, go back in. How's the water?
How's your water?
Nice and wet. Wetter than a duck's ass. Right, let's get in, 'cause it's getting heavy.
The haunted mansion. Wet as a duck. Burger King.
Huh?
Burger King. I'm like, well, pay attention.
When hinges creak in doors
Can you
chain,
pay attention?
and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls,
You put that on my
and the
bag.
candlelights flicker when the air is deadly still. Mortals to the haunted mansion. I am your host, your
Throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and please watch your children.
Oh, wait, come on.
Bravo.
Saluda, Cata. Mira.
Sácale foto, profe. Sácale foto.
As I sing, though I do like breaking favors, you can count me with the dreamers. Like everybody else, I've got a dream. Can't you see me with that special little lady rowing in the rowboat down the street? Though I'm one disgusting blighter, I'm a homer, not a fighter. 'Cause way down deep inside, I've got a dream. He's got a dream.
Esta valiente, ¿la viste la película?
Muchísimas veces.
Bueno, saludá a la valiente. ¿Saludó? Le hizo frente a Lampa.
Today we see Mickey!
And Cinderella, Snow White,
Seven Dwarfs, Pluto, Donald Duck, Goofy.
Tea Party.
Riding the rides and sliding the slides.
Tea Party.
General.
Where are we going?
I'll do it. I'll do it. Yeah, nice and gentle. Let's go gentle. Okay, you want to go, baby?
Oh my god. I feel sick.
I'm getting this bit sideways. Hold on. Right, let's get this bit sideways. Let's get this sideways, baby.
Oh, it's too much. Way too much.
I think I'm going to pull a muscle.
Oh my god. I feel...
If you just focus on one thing, you're alright. I think I blew a gasket. I'm sick as a dog. I shouldn't have done that. Sick as a dog. I told you I'd get it sideways. Riding the rides and sliding the slide. You should do. I'll put all my bicep strength into that. Oh, that chicken sandwich is going to come up.
I feel dizzy. I feel sick. You really
I
spun.
really spun you around, didn't I?
You spin me right
I
round.
think I'm a bit of a daredevil. I say I don't like this, I don't like that.
I love it.
I fucking love it all.
Oh.
I really want to go on this speed.
Prepare for liftoff in 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Oh shit.
Oh, can you believe it? Spaceship? Spaceship driver. Hold on, don't go.
Oh, we're going higher. Oh my god. Oh my god, the height. The sheer height.
Fly up in the space mountain. Get me high.
No, I can't go any higher. I'm gonna get back down.
How are you gonna
Oh my god.
How are you gonna go up?
I don't know. How do you go down? Okay.
Push it forward.
Ah, I'm falling out.
Put your phone down.
Now beginning its descent. Please remain seated until your rocket ship
They were working too hard sorting Ariel's human stuff. This is a great tape. And speaking of tails, Ariel...
Where they walk, where they run, where they stay all day in the
can play the beat song, the steel, the drum, rocking out the back. This is sing the spin and the strike. You know where it's at. I know that blue under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's better. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they sail away. While we be floating, good and floating under the sea.
Ursula has great powers. See for yourself.
Of the Caspian Sea. That brings us well cider set, max laryngitis, now voce to me. I admit that in the past there been a nest too.
Saving power bank for the big, literally saving the power for the big night show.
Oh, I have, yeah. I've still got bars left. I'm on 90% now.
Dumbo's like 45-minute wait, so for that little, for that.
What about the big souvenir shop?
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold.
Feel it draw you in. Watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow.
Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day.
Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every
There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
but friends are
Mr. Aladdin, have a wish or two or three. On the job, you think of your friend. Never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a never had a friend like me.
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open
no matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart
it's like the fog is lifted. And at last I see the light. And it's like the sky is blue. And it's warm and real and bright. And the world is somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see you.
The flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
so real.
It's crazy.
Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me.
Where the crowds will cheer when they see my face.
And a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory were changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly. You can fly. You can fly.
Oh
Ladies
man,
and gentlemen, boys and
that's
girls,
crazy.
dreamers of all ages, thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular, Happily Ever After, presented by
The trees dazzling.
Please enjoy the
Tinker Bow.
I know the location of the stroller. I don't go there.
Ruined it.
Oh, let's get a quick photo of me and you with that.
These pair. which was an amazing night. Let's find where this ferry is. It might be down there. So they might all be queuing to get the buses. That long. Do you remember which way we came from?